In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Zoho features comparison for project management. If you're exploring new project management software or trying to understand which platform fits your organization best, this walkthrough will help you compare the key features, strengths, and real-world implications of using ClickUp and Zoho. I'll keep things practical and grounded so you can make a confident decision without wasting time. Let's start with ClickUp. This platform positions itself as a single hub to replace a patchwork of tools. The big idea is to reduce what many teams experience as work sprawl. Scattered conversations, siloed documents, and tasks living in different places. ClickUp tackles that by pulling your planning, tasks, docs, whiteboards, and dashboards into one workspace. At the center of this is ClickUp Brain, an always-on AI assistant. In practice, that means you can ask for instant insights on projects, generate updates, and even use AI talk-to-text to capture notes and ideas quickly, which is great when you're trying to move fast and keep momentum. ClickUp also provides specialized AI agents tuned for different types of work. In a project setting, that can look like automated help tracking deliverables, drafting status notes for your stakeholders, or summarizing complex comments into next steps. For teams in marketing or software, the agents aim to help with copy, technical documentation, or code scaffolding. The promise is to remove a lot of busy work and shorten the distance between strategy and execution. Organizations using ClickUp report significant time savings and a fast payback period, and the platform is built with enterprise-grade security in mind, including widely recognized compliance standards. It's used by large numbers of teams worldwide, which means there's a mature community and a growing set of templates and best practices to learn from. Now, let's look at Zoho. Instead of being a single app, Zoho is a full ecosystem of business tools designed to operate together. Zoho One, often called an operating system for business, brings departments like sales, marketing, finance, HR, and project management under one umbrella. The goal is to break down silos by giving every team access to tools that share data and speak the same language. If your projects touch multiple functions, say you need input from a sales pipeline, financial approvals, and HR resourcing, that unified approach can reduce friction and help leadership see the full picture. Zoho's AI assistant Zia plays a central role across the suite. Because it has context from multiple apps, Zia can surface insights that connect the dots between your projects and broader business operations. It can flag patterns, recommend actions, and help automate routine tasks across different departments. Many customers choose Zoho for its emphasis on privacy and control. Zoho invests in owning its technology stack, including global data centers, and it has a long-standing stance against selling customer data. For larger organizations, Zoho for Enterprise adds professional services and infrastructure support, so you can scale without losing governance. So, how do these two compare when you're focused specifically on project management? With ClickUp, you'll feel a strong emphasis on creating a central command center for all work. The interface is built to make tasks, docs, and goals feel cohesive, with AI woven into the day-to-day flow. If you want an all-in-one project workspace with modern editing, real-time collaboration, and automated updates, ClickUp's approach will likely feel natural. It's especially compelling if your team plans to lean heavily on AI to write updates, summarize discussions, and generate routine content. With Zoho, the advantage is breadth and native integration across your entire business ecosystem. If your projects depend on CRM data, financial approvals, procurement, or HR capacity planning, there's a good chance those connections can happen more seamlessly inside Zoho's suite. The combination of Zoho Projects, or Zoho's project-focused tools, with the rest of Zoho One can give you comprehensive visibility into how decisions in one department impact timelines and budgets in another. Zia's cross-app awareness is helpful here, guiding automation and alerts based on organization-wide data. A few practical considerations can clarify your choice. First, think about where your biggest bottlenecks live today. If context switching and fragmented information are slowing down your project teams, ClickUp's unified workspace and AI-enhanced workflows are designed to tackle that head-on. If coordination across departments is your core challenge and you want native tools for everything from invoicing to HR, Zoho's suite may offer a smoother path with fewer third-party connectors. Second, evaluate security and governance. Both platforms support enterprise-level needs, but your industry compliance requirements, data residency preferences, and internal IT policies might nudge you toward one ecosystem over the other. If privacy posture and owning the full stack matter deeply to your organization, Zoho's philosophy may align with your values. If your priority is rapid collaboration with robust permissions and a strong template library, ClickUp's community and tooling can help you get there quickly. Third, consider adoption and learning curve. ClickUp's project-first design is approachable for teams that want to set up spaces, lists, and tasks quickly and customize as they go. Zoho's strength shows as you scale into multiple apps, so it can require a slightly more deliberate rollout plan, especially if you're consolidating several legacy tools at once. In either case, define a small pilot project and a set of measurable outcomes, like cycle time, on-time delivery, or meeting-free status updates, so you can track the impact of your setup. Finally, plan your automations and AI usage with intention. In ClickUp, start by automating status changes, recurring check-ins, and routine summaries. Then layer in AI agents for copy or documentation where it saves real time. In Zoho, map automations that cut across apps, such as creating a project when a deal moves to a certain stage, or triggering approvals when budgets change, so Zia can support the flow end to end. Keep your first iteration simple, gather feedback, and refine. Whichever path you choose, success comes from aligning the tool to your process, not the other way around. Build a streamlined workflow, train your team on the essentials, and let AI handle the repetitive pieces so your people can focus on high-value work. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.